Believe it or not, there are a lot of people interested in learning how to do your hobbies or the things that you are talented at. Whether you're into sewing, dancing, a second language, algebra, Microsoft Word, poker, etc., 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 you can make money teaching these skills online, and you get to set your own price. Hey, it's Leah Ray from TakeLessons.com, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to start making money from your hobbies and existing skills through a really cool site called TakeLessons.com. Now, how it works. You create a profile on their site with what you want to teach and you set your price. Then they bring you fully paid students. Now, while we're all about the whole online teaching world, they can, if you're interested, set you up with local students in your area if that's something that you want. Now, this is really flexible. You set the subjects that you want to teach, you set your schedule, your availability, and your own prices. Now, you could be thinking, well, couldn't I just set this all up myself? Well, technically, yes. But if you set out to do this, you would have a steep hill to climb. You have to figure out how you're going to deliver your lessons. TakeLessons provides an online classroom that's really easy to use. You also have to find students who are willing to pay for your courses. You have to set up a payment processor. You have to deal with chargebacks, ongoing monthly payments, and just a lot of headache that comes from the logistics side of it. TakeLessons really streamlines your efforts so that you can simply focus on teaching. They also have some great resources for their teachers. They provide a partner training academy, helping teachers learn how to be better business owners and how to market their services better. Now, this is totally free to join. There's no upfront costs. They only take out an administrative fee when the tuition is paid by your student, so you earn up to 90% of the tuition. So what are the requirements? Well, on top of being willing to privately tutor folks on a skill that people are interested in learning, you will also have to pass a background check. It looks also like at this time, at least, they're only open for people in the United States. So the general categories of study that they currently are offering are academic, computer skills, crafts and hobbies, language, music, performing arts, and visual arts. You can head over to TakeLessons.com to see the current course offerings, or TakeLessons.com/teachers to learn more about teaching through their site. Now, if you're looking for a more passive income source where you're not just trading your time for money, then make sure to click the link at the top of the description to check out our #1 recommended way to make money online. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, you're gonna have to subscribe so that we can help you do that. Make sure to say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from TakeLessons.com. Head over to this next video and I'll see you soon.